Okay, so I found a bit of an issue here, and part of the problem is I'm not going to be able to reload this page to show that it also doesn't work with the escape key. So with the WMD editor here, you go into insert an image and then click outside to close it. This WMD editor element, prompt background, doesn't go away. And I have managed to fix it. So if you click outside, everything goes away and you can get back to editing or whatever you were doing. And the escape key works as well. So in the editor.js, I've got this thing here that's doing this. And then this doing this. And I'll go ahead and make a pull request for this, I guess. Still don't understand why my local install won't work.